For anybody that's interested, this is the 8-quart InstaPot, and we've got it next to our new MegaChef 12-quart. So 4 quarts difference, quite a bit difference in their footprint, how much real estate they're going to take up on the counter, and then of course a bit difference also in their height. Otherwise, they're very similar machines. The InstaPot has a little more direct buttons for straight to presets, where the MegaChef has a couple fewer presets. Otherwise, they're both very capable. Of course, the MegaChef 4 quarts larger, so 30% larger. But in case anybody wants to know what they're like physically on the counter, there you go. The 8-quart InstaPot, 12-quart MegaChef. Hope this helps.